Hey guys, welcome to La Hacienda. We gathered everybody today for Employee Appreciation Day, but we've also been dangling this whole there's a surprise coming, and we thought no better way to do that than put it on video. There's been a lot of rumors of what tonight might be about, and Dave, what rumors have you heard?
Well, Todd, I've heard a lot of rumors. There's a little bird in the office that has shared with me that you have bought everyone an orange Ferrari.
Nope.
That you personally are going to put a shark in your fish tank.
Nope.
Okay. We're getting puppies.
Nope.
And Jeep Gladiators.
Definitely nope.
All right. So those are the handful of surprises that we have just been denied.
So for 2020, we've been talking a lot about pave hard and play hard. And the pave hard portion is going to be the biggest goal that this company has ever had.
You kidding me? You kidding me? You kidding me?
We have the best chance of ever doing this. We've got the operations side set. We have new crew members coming on. We've got project coordinators. We're hiring more. We've got project manager
Carson.
We've got project managers leading the charge on operations. The sales team is being led by Matt, and we've got the best sales team in the industry. We've got the best front office staff. We've got everything set to do this.
Let's do it.
So the other part of that is the play hard. If we all come together as a team and we crush this goal, what's the reward going to be?
Well, Todd, I think I have some pretty cool ideas. More PTO.
No.
Half-day Thursdays?
No.
Taco Tuesday.
Definitely not.
Boys, Mexico.
Mexico. Todd, do you have any idea how much planning that's going to take?
It's the best. Love it.
We have personas to do. We have guest speakers that are coming in. I have to get travel. I've got to get hotel rooms. I probably have to even bring the sand in. There is so much to do in so little time. I don't think we're going to be able to pull this off.
Dude, don't worry about it. Lauren's got it covered.
Who's Lauren?
Don't worry about it.
Oh boy, what an easy job this is going to be, I think.
Hey everybody, I am the Lauren that Todd referred to as the one who's got it. Logistics, travel, all of it, I'm your turn to. I'm so excited to help you guys. So I'll kick off and tell you that we're going to Puerto Vallarta, Mexico.
Hold up, wait a minute.
So I am so thankful to be here to help you guys really play hard as you guys launch your 2020 initiatives of Pave Hard and Play Hard. Thanks, and see you in Mexico.
Thank you, Lauren. I am so grateful and thankful that Lauren's been part of this and she's been able to take such a huge weight off of Todd and I so that we can just focus on what we need to do, which is just drive the business. Just want to say thank you to all the spouses and the cheerleaders that are here tonight. We are grateful for all of you guys and the support that you give us every day to do what we love doing. We couldn't be more excited to be able to be going to Mexico with all of you guys in a year. It's going to be the best Valentine's Day that you've ever had. So with that being said, thank you guys. Let's enjoy the rest of the night and pave hard, play hard. God's got this. That's a wrap.
That's a six-pack.
How'd we do?
It'll work.